Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Screaming Frog SEO Spider license, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Screaming Frog SEO Spider license, begin by opening the Screaming Frog application on your computer. Navigate to the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Help option in the menu bar. From the drop-down list, select License. You will see your license information displayed in a new window. Locate the Withdraw License button within this window. Click on the Withdraw License button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to proceed. Confirm that you wish to withdraw the license by clicking Yes or OK. The application will process your request, and your license will be withdrawn. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming the withdrawal. You can now close the license window. If you need to use the license on another device, remember to check for your unique license key. The license key can be found in your original purchase email or within your Screaming Frog account. You are now ready to install the Screaming Frog SEO Spider on a different computer if desired. If you have any issues during the withdrawal process, consult the Screaming Frog support documentation for further assistance. Make sure to keep a record of your license key for future use. You have successfully withdrawn from your Screaming Frog SEO Spider license. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.